I love the classroom environment. I love going to campuses, visiting students, helping them discover that they can do mathematics.
Mathematics is not finding an answer, and it's not always a formula. It's true processing and thinking through things.
Having the kids create is vital. Having the kids being able to look at things through a real world representation is vital.
You're going somewhere in this life. Whether it's around the block or around the world is up to you. It all starts with the perspective you have.
Aldine to me is just like when I was growing up, coming from an economically disadvantaged background.
We are about 46% emergent bilingual. In middle school alone, we have about 13,000 students. And so where some classrooms were sitting at about, 27 to a class, some maybe 35 students to a classroom.
We learned that we are going to be using Carnegie Materials for Algebra 1, Geometry, and Algebra 2. My team and I were excited. We were looking forward to really diving deep into the materials, and we were learning it at the same time as we were implementing it. But we were working as a team, and so it made it easier. We were actually the Mathia Champions last year.
I feel confident that our district has made the right decision by implementing Carnegie Learning on the Texas Math Solution. I feel confident because we have the teachers, and we're getting the teachers who are willing to learn, who are willing to learn the curriculum, learn what students need, and implement something that they know next year it's going to continue. So we're setting up our kids for success.
With Carnegie Learning, I love that it is set up to make them think. The way the questions and the warm-ups and the getting starteds are set up, it is to where you literally are watching them teach themselves.
Carnegie has provided tremendous support, having their support staff visit the campuses. They provide lesson rehearsals. They show data points on what we can use, such as the session time, such as their progress learning, all that wonderful stuff. The kids are able to say I just learned how to graph a quadratic function. Yeah, I use some technology, but I could also do it by hand.
Any student, no matter what their skill level is at, can access the learning experiences. And Carnegie has that. Students who are in a Carnegie classroom are showing higher levels of student ownership.
We did notice 27% higher than the district average for our interim data, which is great.
We're in a math class every day for 90 minutes. They all passed the December EOC. Extremely celebratory time because we knew that it would work, and just to see it happen, it's just a tremendous success.
That it's not a script, but it's a structure. With this curriculum, the way it's designed for teachers to do more listening, to do more observing, to do more watching and participating and challenging kids.
We've already implemented Carnegie in practically all grade levels. And so for when those kids realize hey, I'm learning math and it's all connecting up to where I need to be as a senior, it's going to be awesome.
When you look at old algebra books, the structure is so different and the times have changed. So it's nice to see that Carnegie Learning has changed with the times.
Kids can start saying, I'm a math person, if we're exposed to different ways of doing things.